In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Designer Design as PNG with transparent background. A transparent background is perfect when you want your design to sit cleanly on top of any color, photo, or layout without a white box around it. Think logos, stickers, overlays, or product shots that need to blend into different backgrounds. Microsoft Designer makes this quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you get the exact result you expect. Start by opening your design in Microsoft Designer. Make sure everything looks the way you want. If your goal is to export only the subject without any backdrop, you'll want to remove the background from the image on your canvas first. Click to select the image you want to isolate. Then, in the toolbar, choose Remove Background. Designer will automatically detect the subject and remove the surrounding area, leaving just what you want to keep. If your design already has a clean background you plan to keep, or if you want the full canvas, you can skip this and move straight to downloading. When you're ready to save the file, go to the top right corner and click Download. This opens the download dialog where you'll choose the right format and options. Select PNG as the file type. PNG is important here because it supports transparency, which is what makes the background disappear in your exported file. You'll notice that once PNG is selected, an option appears that says Make Background Transparent. Check that option. This tells Designer to export your image with the canvas background removed. Now click Download. Your file will be saved as a PNG with a transparent background. When you use it later in presentations, on websites, or in other design tools, it will sit naturally over any background without a visible rectangle behind it. If you see a checkerboard pattern when previewing in some tools, that's just how many apps indicate transparency. It won't appear in the final placement. A quick note to avoid confusion. JPEG does not support transparency. If you choose JPEG, the background will be filled, typically with white, and the transparent look won't be preserved. Always choose PNG when you need transparency. Also remember that transparency applies to the canvas background itself. Any shapes, colors, or images you intentionally left on the canvas will remain visible in the export. That's all you need to export a clean, transparent PNG from Microsoft Designer. Open your design, optionally remove the image background, choose PNG, enable transparency, and download.